Alrighty, so I've got to chop this big stone down. It's 2 feet thick, 4 foot by about 3'6" the other way. I have cut some of these stones and cracked them at 1 foot thick. This is going to be the first one I'm going to try to do 2 feet thick. There is a few different things here. I'm going to cut it with the saw, and what I've done on the 1-footers is I just use these wedges here, and you just hammer them in every 6 inches, and it breaks it. I don't think that's going to work with this because it's so thick, so I'm going to use either that 3/8 drill bit if it goes through, or if it goes through quick enough, and see what happens, or I may end up using that 1/2 inch on the big ram set drill and drill it down a little further, get some drill holes after I've cut, and then I'll hammer the wedges. So let's see how it happens. Well, it didn't go as well as I was hoping. Had to really force those wedges, and then we had a fracture on this side, so this side's got 2 pieces now. This one did come across and crack. You can see though how much like there's not a lot of cut on it, and then you just keep hammering them wedges in, and it will pop, and you can hear it just starting to creak and crack. And then the as you're hammering the wedges, they kind of sound different, and it starts to crack a little bit. You hammer a few more, and then boom, you get it. So pretty neat to be able to do that with a couple little chunks of steel. But the drills, I was hoping the drills would go through there and make it a little easier to cut, but it just didn't work out that way. So I'll flip these over. These are the bottoms anyway, and then we may have to piece these two together, and nobody will know. One more crazy part about this job is the yard we get to work in. The sun's going down, and it's